Hi guys, it's Nicole Danell, your sexy stage 4 colon cancer mess to live a patient. What's going on, guys? It's fantastic, fabulous, fun, freaky, um, whatever word you can think of that's great. Not a bad one for Friday. I'm enjoying my Friday morning before I go to chemo. Still going through, this grief process, so you might not see me posting as much as I usually do, and pretty much that's why. I've been, having those moments, and it's only been 2 months and a couple of days since my dad passed. So, you know, I don't know as far as when this gets better, but I heard it can last for months, years, and I understand because I always, look at it that I'm blessed that I had him for 49 years, but I also know that I'll never be the same because he was always my rock, always, there. And it's just different. Like, I'm a daddy's girl, I love my mom, nothing with that, but moms and girls usually clash. Me and my dad was like this. So, it's just going, it's a lot. I spent Thanksgiving without him, of course, because he's not here. That was the first holiday. And it's going to be Christmas coming up soon. And Thanksgiving, I wasn't feeling well. I was out of town, but I wasn't feeling well, and I just wanted to just be by myself because I wasn't feeling well. Then thinking about him, and my mental health was just like all over the place. I had talked to my therapist probably that Tuesday before the Thanksgiving, and I was crying in my therapy, and I cried the other day I had it too because it's so fresh and it's so there and it hurts a lot. So I give my hat off to anyone that's going through grief for losing a parent, friend, family member, whatever. But I do know that I have to stay positive as far as for my mental health and as far as for the health that I'm trying to get back and trying to be at a certain level as far as with my numbers going through the stage 4 colon cancer. So, it does affect that, which is, it's called the CEA, which it measures as far as the cancer in my body. It's not high, it just went up like maybe a few points, but not much. But we still want it to be going in the other direction. I am doing a lot better than ever than I have in such a long time. Extremely tired this week. I didn't get home till like Sunday morning at like 12 a.m. And Monday I wasn't feeling good. Tuesday I had to get up and make it happen. Wednesday, I don't think I did anything. Yesterday I had to go back out, make things happen. So it's like I don't feel good, but sometimes I just got to get up and get it done because I'm the one that's, driving this car, and I'm not a passenger, I'm the driver. So guys, just, keep on being positive and make sure that you're during this, time that you're spending with your family. Think about the ones that don't have family here that, maybe all of them have passed away or they living out of state or whatever it is. Just, call, check on them, give them a hug. If you have an extra plate there close, give them a plate. Just something to show that, there's someone still out there, wanting them to enjoy as far as their holidays. And, give them a hug, give them some positive. It's a lot of times I think people kind of get it misconstrued because they think that just because you're smiling that everything is okay, and it's not. And I can tell you I'm not the same, but I still smile, and that's because that's me. That's always been me. And there's times when I don't, and I'm crying or I'm in pain, but I try not to focus on those. I try to focus more on as far as the positive energy that I, around myself, within myself, and anybody that's dealing with me. And if I feel that it's negative, whether that's friends, family, or children, whatever, you just have to push back. It's not that you don't love them, but you just don't want that energy. You just don't want that within your space. And you can explain that to them. And if they get upset, then it is what it is, all I can say. Because if they really care, they would understand. So guys, enjoy the rest of your Friday. I love you guys. I hope you continue to have a fabulous Friday. Keep being a warrior. Keep on, being there for yourself and for other people, because it's more to give than to receive, and it's great to receive. But when you give something out, it makes you feel good. At least that's for me. And the holidays I do love, and it's not the part of celebrating Thanksgiving because we know the history of that, and it's not the part of celebrating a pagan holiday, which is Christmas. I don't really care about the gifts and all that. What I care about is, having that quality time with your family. And because sometimes that's the only 2 times a year, since everybody's living in different, states, and having, as far as their hours, as far as their vacation, what they can do. So usually those are the times that you actually get to see them. So love you guys. Enjoy. Mwah.